Now the basic transmission theory. In satellite, actually free space transmission or radio frequency transmission happens. Look at the simple block diagram. This is a transmitter. The power of the transmitter is PT and it is passed through a channel, and this is the receiver. The accepted power is the PR. We all know the frequency and wavelength concept that are not required to be described here elaborately. So satellite link or the basic transmission theory or block diagram of the satellite communication is like that. Transmitter and transmitted power is PT, PR is the received power, GT is the gain of the transmitting antenna. Here the GT is the gain of the transmitting antenna, GR is the gain of the receiving antenna, and R is the path distance between the transmitter and the receiver. These are the basic transmission model of the satellite communication. Now go to the mathematical derivation. Here, PSD or the power density is given by the 4 pi RA square. RA is the radius of the transmitting antenna. Similarly, at the surface B, the density is that PT 4 pi RB square. It is the Friis transmission formula. We all recall the Friis transmission formula. And now the ratio of power density is given by the RB square by RA square. That is given by the relationship demonstrate the well-known inverse square law of the radiation. Inverse square law of the radiation. That is the PSD of, if radius is higher, radius is here, radius RA, and here radius RB. If distance is greater, then the PSD is reduced. Now the total effective power. An important parameter in the evaluation of RF link, the effective isotopic radiated power. Very important. The word is the EIRP, where the EIRP equal to PT into GT. PT into GT. PT is the transmitted power and GT is the gain of the transmitting antenna. In a logarithmic scale, EIRP or the effective isotopic radiated power, radiated in terms of transmitting antenna, that is PT plus GT. In logarithmic scale, PT into GT actually in normal scale, and EIRP, this you again recall this model of transmitter. Here it is the transmitter, PT is the transmitted power, GT is the transmitting antenna, R is the distance, PT is the receiver power, GR is the gain of the receiving antenna. Now next point you should remember, it is the relationship between the radius and the power, that is given by the PFD and the radius of the or the distance from the transmitter, the PSD is reduced. Now the EIRP or effective isotropic radiated power. EIRP is given by the PT into GT. Again this model, PFD is the PTGT by 4 pi R square. R is the distance. PT into GT, this power is moving R distance. And on the receiver part, EIRP by 4 pi R square. And again, this is calculated by the PFDR at the receiver point is the PT plus GT minus 20 log R minus 10.99. This is the R distance. R is the distance between the transmitter and the receiver. Again, recall the formula. Here is the PFD. PT is the transmitted power. GT is the gain of the transmitting antenna. The total power is PTGT, and R distance cover 4 pi R square, that is the PFD, and PTGT is called the EIRP, and in logarithmic scale receives power is that 10 log PT plus 10 log GT minus 20 log R square, 20 log R, and minus 20 log 4 pi. So the received power is that PR equal to EIRP plus GR minus LFS, link power budget. Actually, this is very important to calculate the budget of the satellite. Calculate the budget of the satellite. There is a simple description on this satellite freeze transmission formula, and how transmission occurs in the satellite, and the calculation of gain and everything in a brief. I will provide you note regarding this. Okay.